Hi, and welcome to Outdoor Training. As you know, we keep our eyes open for new and improved products. And the product we're going to use today is this Ecomaxx bikefuel 4. What I've understood from the website is that you can blend it with any type of fuel, E0, E5, E10, even E20. It won't affect the inside of the fuel tank. It won't affect your fuel system, like injection system or carburettor system, so you don't need any adjustment, so it's ready to use. And you can keep it up to 3 years. So we're going to store our motorbike for winter, so we will fill it up with this Ecomaxx bikefuel 4, and after winter we will check how it affects our startability. But I can tell by smelling, it's not alkylate fuel, and this one also doesn't contain ethanol, so it's not E5 or E10, but it can be used with all types of bikes. This Ecomaxx bikefuel also exists for old-timers, racing cars, 2-stroke and 4-stroke.